In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can buy with your coins on AliExpress. Now, if I head over to the coins on the PC, it will tell you that you need to download the app on your phone. So make sure you download the AliExpress app. And if you want, you can also scan the QR code to head directly onto the coins page, or you can just use your phone and click on your profile, and there will be one called coins. Now, once you found the coins page, you will be able to find a lot of products in there, and these products are available for the coins. So you just want to select any product and then head over to the checkout page, and you will be able to press use your coins, and then you will use the coins that you have saved up to either get a discount or the item for completely free. And that is basically how that works. Now, like I said, you need to do this on the mobile app, and that's basically everything. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.